3 specimens were prepared in this case. The one on the far right with the letter N. The test specimen is prepared based on the usage of NIKWAX. The N+ in the middle is a test using NIKWAX. With our technology and equipment, this will be an improved test. However, the second specimen did not have any water repellent components added. Created without added water repellent ingredients. The leftmost one marked D is. It will be a specimen with our droproof NIKWAX repellent coating. So let's start with. I would like to review the first occurrence. Thus, all 3, it repels water well. Here's what we're going to do now. Put it in this bottle of water. I'd like to shake it up. I'll take it out. Now, I would like to check the water repelling situation. The one on the far right is no longer bouncing water at all. There's just a little bit of the part I'm playing here. Those who have improved the N+. There is some water repellency. On the other hand, the NIKWAX repellent coating. It is already overwhelmingly repelling water well. There is such a difference. Thus, even if you're a technology or equipment person, we have improved it very much, and of course, the repellent coating is better. By far, though, the water repellent itself is stronger because of improvements in equipment and technology, and an improved version of NIKWAX, using specialized equipment that you can't even do at home. We have improved it, which means that it will make such a difference.